friends, welcome to Amrita ki rasoi. Today I have made chocolate brownie cake and I will show you the easy way to make it. Please watch this video till the end and do not forget to subscribe my channel. Let's start. 1 sachet of Eno, 240 grams of bourbon biscuit and 1 cup of milk. Transfer all the biscuit in a mixer grinder and we have to make fine powder of these biscuits. We'll grind it for around 30 seconds. Fine powder is ready. Now transfer this powder in a separate bowl. Add milk gradually. Mix it well so that no lumps are formed. Again we will add the remaining milk and we will mix it again. You can see that fine silky batter is ready. Now we will take a cake mold. You can take a steel bowl. You can bake in a pan as well. Brush it with oil and now put butter paper and brush this butter paper with oil as well nicely. Now we will add Eno sachet and we will add 1 tablespoon of milk so that it can ferment well. Now mix it gently. Yes, like this. Batter is ready. Now we will put this batter in cake mold and we will tap it. Now add some dry fruits and now we will add this mold in a preheated cooker. We will bake it for around 30 minutes. Do not forget to remove the gasket and the vessel of the cooker. We will make dough for rose flour. We'll take 2 spoons of powdered biscuit. Mix it with 1 spoon of milk. Now dough is ready for flour. So smooth dough is ready. Take a small ball, flatten it with your palm like this. So make around 4 or 5 and roll it continuously. Once you will start rolling, it will take the shape of rose flower. You can see that. Wow, this is beautiful rose flower is ready. Now we can use this rose flower in our cake. You can make 2, 3, 4 as you wish. Now we will check after 30 minutes if our cake is ready or not. Yes, we can see that cake is ready because it's not sticking it. Yes, now when it gets cooled down completely, demold it. Remove the butter paper carefully, otherwise cake will break down. Yes, like this. Now our soft spongy cake is ready. You can put some chocolate ganache. This is optional. You can put some chocolate syrup and chocolate sauce. Now put the beautiful rose flower on it. Wow, this is amazing. Chocolate brownie cake is ready. Put some toppings. This is just to impress our kids. Cut it. Wow, soft spongy cake is ready. Enjoy this cake with your family, your friends. Thanks for watching my video. Keep watching. Bye.